Okay, so sabi ni Andrew Avigitero, Sir Pao, kung ikaw ang commissioner, paano mo gagawan ng paraan para mawala ang politika sa PBA? Wow, this is a Miss Universe question ah. Candidate number one, Pao Salud of Pauka Sports. If I am to be a commissioner of the PBA, which is I don't think possible because I'm more inclined sa boxing, but nonetheless, my last name is Salud and my Chito Salud, baka kamag-anak ko yan. Honestly speaking, politics will always be there. So, I don't think there's a way to remove politics, especially kung may mga different teams na involved. So it's hard. I guess the best way if I am to be commissioner is I want to have everyone in the same mindset or the same goal. Ang hirap kasi, and I'm sure the PBA have the same thing, pero iisipin mo kasi rin yung business side. The reason why there is politics is because they're trying to protect something. And the PBA is a sport, no? A sport organization, but it is also a business. And here's the real talk. Listen to this. The PBA has MVP and SMC as the two companies that are supporting them. So, ang hirap kasi because, kumbaga, you have to protect your business. And in order to protect your business, you have to protect your biggest investors. Again, I am not a basketball expert. I have an idea a little bit about business, but it's a simple arithmetic that whoever is your biggest investors, yun ang aalagaan mo. Whoever gives you the biggest money, yun yung aalagaan mo. First thing first. So, ang pwede kong gawin, kakausapin ko yung MVP at saka SMC Group on on how to unify. And I think naman, ang hirap pare, ang hirap na tanong nito. Because siguro in order to resolve this is you find another one, not just two, but you need to find other businesses that is as big as SMC and MVP para yung stake maging balance. Kasi miski ako guys, aaminin ko sa inyo, pare, pag ikaw may business and let's say may 5 kang customer, pero yung isang customer mo, yung isang mong kliyente is equivalent to 50% of your revenue. Kung anong ni-request ng isa na yon, malamang yun ang gagawin mo. Kasi yung apat, kahit mawala yung apat, you still have 50% or more. You see where I'm coming from? So, you cannot remove politics. You try to get a support from other bigger players siguro. It's so difficult, guys, because I know everyone wants to do the right thing, but they all have their own version of what the right thing is. And I also know na may mga nagko-comment dito ha. I also know that each of the teams, and most of them, now maybe not one or two teams that I know in the PBA, but all of them want to win. So may nagko-comment ng transparent contracts, may mga nakikita ko dyan. I mean, you cannot blame a team that wants to win. They will do everything. Kaso, yun nga, meron na kasing ang tawag doon president eh. Pag napagbigyan na dati, tapos hindi mapagbigyan ngayon, ang hirap eh. Ang hirap, if a commissioner sometimes I think will be powerless. The true power belongs to the majority stakeholders of the PBA. Kasi, I don't know, I mean, the commissioner is a very important role. And don't get me wrong. Pero, I mean, as a commissioner, what's your main goal? Ang hirap pare, sobrang hirap. Hindi mo basta-basta matatanggal ang politika. And as long as you're earning money, which is the most important thing, and Kagaya ng Hinebra, syempre, Hinebra is the biggest team. You gotta make biggest following. You gotta make them happy. Ang hirap, bro. I mean, the bias and the politics will not be, ang maganda dyan, we just have to, make everyone believe in the same goal, which is impossible. I don't know, shit. I don't know what I'm talking about. You help me, guys. Ano ba dapat? Pero hindi matatanggal ang politika. That's the short answer to your question. Okay? Kinahirapan mo ko, sir. Hindi ako mananalo sa Miss Universe niyan.